The reliable operation of heat pumps. Heat pumps are becoming an increasingly popular solution for home heating and cooling due to their energy efficiency, eco-friendliness, and year-round comfort. When properly maintained, heat pumps can deliver consistent and reliable performance for many years. In this article, we'll explore what makes heat pumps reliable, how to ensure optimal operation, and tips to maximize their lifespan and efficiency. What makes heat pumps reliable? A heat pump's reliability stems from its innovative design and dual-purpose functionality. Unlike traditional HVAC systems that rely on separate units for heating and cooling, heat pumps transfer heat rather than generate it, making them more efficient and mechanically simple. Key factors that contribute to a heat pump's reliability include energy efficiency. Heat pumps typically use less electricity than conventional systems, reducing wear and tear on components. Fewer components. With fewer moving parts than gas furnaces or central AC units, there are fewer chances of breakdowns. Advanced technology. Modern heat pumps feature smart thermostats, variable speed compressors, and inverter-driven systems that adjust output based on demand, ensuring steady and dependable performance. How to ensure reliable heat pump operation. To keep a heat pump running smoothly throughout the year, regular maintenance is essential. Here are some practical tips. Schedule regular maintenance. Have a licensed HVAC technician inspect and service your heat pump at least twice a year, once before the heating season and once before the cooling season. Routine maintenance helps detect minor issues before they turn into costly repairs. Clean or replace filters. Dirty air filters can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. Check your filters monthly and clean or replace them as needed, typically every 1 to 3 months. Clear outdoor unit debris. Keep the outdoor condenser unit free from leaves, snow, and other debris to ensure proper airflow and avoid system strain. Check thermostat settings. Ensure your thermostat is set correctly for the season. Smart thermostats can improve efficiency by automatically adjusting settings based on your preferences and usage patterns. Inspect ductwork. Leaky or poorly insulated ducts can lead to significant energy loss. Have your ductwork inspected and sealed to enhance performance. When to call a professional. If your heat pump is making strange noises, struggling to maintain the desired temperature, or experiencing frequent cycling, it's time to call an HVAC professional. Early diagnosis can prevent larger problems and keep your system operating reliably. A well-maintained heat pump offers dependable performance, energy savings, and year-round indoor comfort. By scheduling regular maintenance, replacing filters, and ensuring optimal airflow, homeowners can trust their heat pump to work efficiently no matter the season. Investing in a high-quality heat pump and caring for it properly is a smart choice for sustainable and reliable home climate control.